UPSC aspirants. So there's going to be a big UPSC meetup on 2nd of March at LevelUp IAS. Come and join us for the GS Foundation 2026 orientation session, which is going to be free and open for all event on 2nd of March at LevelUp IAS at 12 noon. So in this meetup session, you will be getting a chance to meet our top faculties of UPSC and mentors, and all your doubts and queries, they will get resolved regarding this exam's preparation. So even if you don't want to take coaching or classes from anywhere but want some kind of UPSC exam related guidance from the top faculties, all of you are welcome. So all your queries regarding time management, answer writing, newspaper reading, TYQ analysis, note making, any such kind of query will be resolved. So if all such issues they once get resolved, preparation of this exam, it becomes easier. So don't miss out on this opportunity and mark your calendars for 2nd of March. Register now through the link which is given in the description and also in the first comment of this video. See you there. Thank you.